Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's actually been a while since I've done a recording for you, so I'm home. We're all quarantined, and I decided to try something new. I've never done the stocking cap on a blockhead without doing it on somebody's head, never. So, you guys are so in love with this one video that I did with my sister, so I decided that, hey, why not? I'm home. Let's see how much I could improve on myself, improve on my craft. So I wanted to try something new. So I went ahead and I purchased this 27 piece Harlem Platinum Blonde to do a look for you guys. Um, I did the measurements. I tried measuring from my head to make sure everything was precise and that it fit perfectly. And it actually did. And I think I'm going to start adding this service to what I already offer. So I went ahead and I started gluing from the shortest to the longest piece. I went across straight up until where I measured the temple would be, which was like 5.5 inches across my forehead. And I did already mark that out on the cap. So I went across, and then now where you see I'm at the top, I'm just going in circles. And I already did also the measurements from my forehead to the crown as to exactly where I want my closure part to be. Let me tell you, I was really feeling this look. You're gonna see the end how I done transformed into somebody else. I really don't wear wig caps. I'm a long wig person. So I wear my closure wigs, my 5x5s and stuff like that. And that's what worked for me. But hey, I just wanted to be able to give you guys variety because I do have clients that are, and that's the thing that I really do love about myself. I basically specialize in whatever it is that you want to do. You know what I mean? If it's something that I can't do, I won't attempt it. I really just won't. But I really want to make sure that I'm able to provide, whatever services that each woman that we could find the beauty in. You have people who like short hair, people who like long hair, and I'm so honored and blessed that I'm able to, provide both services. So yeah, guys, just let me know what you think. I really did have fun doing this wig cap. I swear, just being able to provide services that could, build confidence for different women of different lifestyle. It's amazing because you do have the people who are more conservative who just wouldn't wear this, and you have others who are more edgy and stuff. But the thing is with a wig cap, like you could really make it however you want to. You could make it more jazzy, and you could tame it. It doesn't matter. And I'm telling you, man, your hair is really a confident builder. Trust me, because I was in this wig acting like a whole new person. I love it. Okay, so now that I got done with that, I decided to cut it down. And my focus of cutting this wig down was I wanted to be able to cut it where once I take it off the cap, I have to do absolutely no touching up. I really just wanted to be able to take it off the cap and to just put it on. You know what I mean? So I really focused on getting it as flat as possible, get the cut as precise as possible. I personally see, a few imperfections that I could work on. So I'm going to try doing this maybe 2 or 3 more times before I offer this service, but I really love it. I rarely did anything different. I cut the front a little bit more once I put it on, but guys, like you could see, once I put it on, it was good. It fit perfect. It literally fit like a glove. It wasn't too tight and it definitely wasn't loose. And the cut was on point and everything, and I was very pleased with the results, but I will work on the areas that I see fit. Okay, so now that we're on, I'm gonna just comb it around, use my fingers, try to play with it to get the feel of the cap, to get the feel of the style, just to see exactly what my flaws were. There was a little piece that was hanging over my eyebrows. I ended up cutting that afterwards, but yeah, those are the little areas that I'm telling you I see where I could have done better while it was on the wig block. But overall, it was a good, it was good to me. To me. Tell me what you guys think. Okay, so it's done. It's playtime. Yes, sis. And I ended up changing my lipstick a few times. I was red, then I was a little bit nude, then I went darker. Child, I was feeling this entire thing. I had to entertain myself home, seeing that we can't go outside and we quarantine. So I had my little wine and I was just enjoying the look, listening to music. Ooh, child. So, guys, again, tell me how you guys feel. Share, like, subscribe. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn your notifications on, and share it with a friend. Ask them their opinion, and you could feel free. You're going to share your opinion whether you like or not, anyways. And I do appreciate all the comments, regardless. I'm up for constructive criticism. It's okay. I don't take offense to these stuff. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Until then, I'll be back with another video. Hopefully I won't take so long this time. um I've just been busy. My flat irons are doing really well. If you haven't shopped, please go to shanisnaturalbeauty.com. shanisnaturalbeauty.com. I'll put the link in the description, so you could go, you could shop my ready to wear wigs, you could shop my flat irons and bundles, whatever it is that you guys need. I provide that there for you. Until next time, guys, take care of yourself. Stay home. Stay safe. One more thing, make sure you're following me on my other social media platforms, which is Shani's Natural Beauty. That's on Facebook. That's on Instagram. Shani's Natural Beauty. Is that it? I think that's it. Bye again.